Hi everyone, and welcome back to this Wealthy Education Technical Analysis video. Today we're going to be talking about our last continuation pattern, and that is the cup and handle pattern. So let's get right into the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle pattern is named cup and handle because the shape of the trading pattern of the stock looks like a teacup. You have a bowl-shaped pullback in the stock, and then a move back up, which forms the right-hand side of the cup. We then have a pullback in the stock. Ideally, it will be to around the midpoint between the lip of the cup and the base of the cup, but is often more shallow. And then we'll have a move up in the stock from the downward sloping cup. And when the stock breaks the downward slope, that is the buy signal for the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle forms a resistance pattern because the lip of the cup on the left side and the right side is a resistance point. And then the handle looks like a flag pattern as the stock pulls back after touching resistance a second time. So psychologically, you've had owners of the stock who have been underwater as the stock pulls back into the base of the cup. When the cup gets back to the right-hand side of the lip, you're back at resistance. So the buyers who purchased there and have been underwater the entire time the cup has been forming are now selling the stock and pressuring it, which causes the handle of the cup, your flag pattern, as the stock moves back down from encountering selling pressure. And then you have a move out of the handle to the upside, which is your buy signal. As a secondary buy signal, you can use the resistance level, which is formed at the lip of the cup. So let's take a look at the cup and handle pattern on a chart. We're going to use the chart of AMD Advanced Micro Devices to look at a cup and handle pattern. The beginning of our cup is here. We have a pullback, and I've drawn a curve so we can see what the cup pattern looks like. The second lip of our cup is here. And then we have a slight pullback in a flag pattern. And ideally, we would want the handle to come a little bit lower into the cup, but the psychology is the same. The stock has hit the resistance level formed by the left side and the right side of the cup. When it touches that resistance level, you get sellers who purchased the stock back at the end of June and are now back to even, and they're selling here in October. This forces the stock down, and then we get a break of both the resistance level and the handle, as well as the resistance level for the cup overall. As we can see, once that resistance level is broken to the upside, the stock continues to move up. So we get a movement from $16 all the way up to around $25 for the high of the stock. If you'll remember, we talked about earlier that a support or resistance level that has been in place for a longer period of time usually gives you a bigger move than a support or resistance level that has been in place for a short period of time. With a cup and handle pattern, we're looking for a move that would equal the measurement from the base of the cup, which in this case was around $11, to the lip of the cup, which was around $16. So we're looking for a $5 move, the difference between 16 and 11, when the stock moves up. We actually end up getting a much larger move than the $5 that we get from not only 16 to 21, which would have been the $5 move here. And we see this stock encountered a little bit of resistance at this point. It was able to break through, retest this resistance level, and then move higher up again, as we talked about, to the $25 level. So that is the cup and handle pattern in the stock of AMD. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the cup and handle pattern. This is Stephen Adams, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thank you.